Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's been a very long time. Your girl went back to work. I've been teaching during the pandemic, but I'm just here to bring a brief update. I know last time you guys saw me, kind of had some hair. As you can see, I don't have any hair anymore. It's wet, so if you see a little product on my natural girls, you already know. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys my new shoes. I decided to get another pair of Dr Martens. So the Dr Martens that I decided to get this time are called the Jadon. If you can see that, hopefully it focuses in. But the Jadon 3, and this time I got platform, and it's the Pisa leather, which is a little more soft than the regular leather that everyone has to get usually with the Docs, the ones that, you know, make your feet feel like they hurt. My first Docs were, and let me look for the name really quickly because I forgot. But my first Docs were the Vegan 1460 lace-up boots, and they were cool for my first pair of Docs. They're the vegan leather, and I don't have any issues with like leather per se. You know, I eat meat, not a vegan, but I decided to get this pair because like the burgundy color looked 10 times better instead of the actual leather that comes in burgundy. This just looks so Merlot-ish, and I love the color of it. Very fall. But these were my first Docs. As you can tell, they're a little worn now. I wear them as rain boots and just an everyday shoe. Another misconception about Docs, I would say, is that you have to wear Docs in the wintertime. Somebody lied, child. You can wear Docs summertime, fall, winter, spring, wherever you want, whenever you want. But yeah, that's all I have to say about these vegan shoes. Were a little easier to break in, although the first time I wore them I was in DC. Bad decision, y'all. I literally wanted to saw my feet off after walking around the National Mall and everything in these Docs for the first time. So don't think just because it's vegan they won't hurt your feet. You actually have to break Docs in. But back to why I'm here to talk, and it's about these beautiful leather Docs. So I just want to start off by saying that they have a zipper on the side, which I absolutely love. I know some people said that this boot, even though there's a zipper, some people recommended that you don't use the zipper as much. We'll see. I love the fact that it has the zipper on the side, because who wants to lace up boots every day? Not your girl. It has, I think they say the 8 eyes, so just 8 little places for your shoestrings to go. But I like the shoestrings. I'll probably have to make them a little tight just because I have very narrow feet, but the zipper is a plus for me because it's so easy. Yeah, and this sole is the Beck's sole. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the Beck's sole is that platform sole that you see. There is a Jadon Max, which has a larger platform, but I don't think I'm ready for that lifestyle yet because these boots are kind of heavy, and I like to do a lot of walking. I live in Atlanta, and so like, you know, this is just a good everyday like walkable city boot. I can't imagine myself having a larger platform on this boot. But yeah, I'm gonna try them on for you all. This is a size 8. I initially ordered a size 9 and I had to send them back. The thing about Dr Martens is that when you send things back, they don't do exchanges, so you literally will have to send it back, get a refund. But I ended up finding this pair at my local Nordstrom. I ordered it online and I picked it up at store, so even though I ordered it from the actual Nordstrom store, it was shipped within like, I would say even less than 24 hours to the Nordstrom rack that was in Alpharetta. So I just drive like 30 minutes to pick these shoes up, and I have to wait for Doc to send me a new replacement. I haven't got my money back for the ones that I sent back yet, but I literally just sent them back maybe 2 or 3 days ago. So I'll give you guys an update once I receive that refund. But yeah, I'm gonna try these on for you guys. I'm not gonna keep babbling on about these beautiful shoes. but I just know you need these. And if you're like me and you like a casual boot and you don't want to look like Major Payne, go for the Pisa leather. The smooth leather is cool and all, but I just feel like I look like I have just enlisted in the army with the smooth ones. But this Pisa leather is beautiful to me. So let me get to it. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like with, I just have on this little basic outfit today. I don't feel like changing, but I'll show you how they can work with almost anything. I have on biker shorts, so hold tight. They're fairly easy to go on your feet. Let you guys see them some more, which is why I love this zipper on the boots. I actually don't feel like lacing these up because why would I do that if I don't have to? I'm not wearing these boots today. Today is actually the Sunday before Labor Day, so I'm going to a cookout and I just don't feel like having on hot shoes at a cookout. I'm gonna put some blazers on instead. Just something a little light and slight, I guess. But yeah, let's put these on. These bad boys, these lemon pepper steppers, okay? They cute or whatever. Yes, honey. Yes, yes, yes. Enjoyed this little try on unboxing kind of situation that I had. Hopefully your girl can buy another pair. The next ones on my list are the Sinclair with the zipper in the front, but once I buy those, I will let you guys see what they look like. You guys had a chance to see a sneak peek of my dog. Come here, Charlie. Come here. I'm like 100% sure that he's probably afraid of these huge boots, but it's cool. Well, anyway, I hope you guys enjoy your Labor Day, and I will see you soon.